I don't know where to begin from. I think I'm gonna cry today. Can't stop giggling. Are you guys ready for it? We are going to. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Anushka and this is my YouTube channel. I know you're seeing me after a very long time, but वो सब बाद में. You must have read by the title. This video is also a dream come true for me. I don't know where to begin from, but this is just मैंने कैमरा उठाया and I just thought I should vlog this whole thing because in the future when I look at myself and when I look at this video, I'll feel happy and proud of myself and also everything in the middle. I have manifested this event, or I've manifested working with this brand, or attending an event from this brand for years, and I can't believe that I'm finally going to one of the most loved brands on the internet. Are you guys ready for it? This is honestly like such a huge thing for me. Please send good vibes in the comments down below. We are going to our first ever Huda Beauty event. इतने सालों से मैं बस यही मैनिफेस्ट करती आई हूँ कि आई जस्ट वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द हुडा ब्यूटीज पीआर. मैं बहुत बड़े बड़े क्रिएटर्स को देखती थी, देम रिसीविंग द हुडा ब्यूटी पीआर पैकेज, एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक मेरा भी एक दिन आएगा हम मैं उनका इवेंट अटेंड करूंगी या फिर I'll be a beauty creator. I'm still manifesting a lot for the future. This was a part of the manifestation that has come true. I was actually so surprised जब मुझे मैसेज आया. यही एक तात्पर्य है बोलने का कि manifestations do come true. Like, please believe in yourself. Please keep working hard. Please don't stop dreaming. Please just manifest everything that you want. मुझे मालूम है कि हर 2 वीडियोस में यही बोला जाता है कि manifestations do come true, believe in yourself, work hard and all of that, but trust me, मैं अगर बोल रही हूँ कि manifestations सही होते हैं, manifestations do come true, manifestations work, तो please भरोसा करो, keep manifesting because here I am going to the first ever ग्लोबल ब्यूटी ब्रांड्स इवेंट. मेरे पास एक हुडा ब्यूटी का ब्लश है जो कुछ 3,000 रुपए का है. मैं I've emptied that blush but it was gifted to me actually by somebody. but जब वो मुझे ब्लश मिला तब I was literally out of words because Huda Beauty is such a big brand. It's such an iconic brand. उसके brand के event में जाना, oh my god. I am wearing pink because of course Huda Beauty is all about pink. खाना खाने के बाद I will show you guys my outfit. It's just like a plain pink color top with brown pants, brown formal pants, and they look bomb. Like the pants are super great. Top was like a little off for me. The color was a little off, but कुछ और मिल ही नहीं रहा था, so I had to like buy that top. Gotten like pink color nails. These are actually not pink. These are like what? These are nude pink. I don't know. I am so excited. I am all ready. Sorry I couldn't shoot. There was a lot of chaos, but this is my outfit. The brown pants that I told you about and the top. The only bad thing that exists is my chashma. I don't know, like I can't even see without my specs, so I can't even take it off. But this is my outfit. We're rocking. I thought this outfit might be a little off, but then I styled it. The necklace that I got off Myntra. I will link everything in the description below so you can go and check it out. Let's go. My Uber is waiting for me downstairs. We need to hurry. बहुत late हो चुकी है. I will reach there on what 5:15, 5:20, which is not bad. This flavor is back home. It was surely a very fun day. At the same time, very productive. Goodie bag. Of course, with the excitement for the event, I'm equally excited for the goodie bag. And of course, I'll unbox it in front of you guys. So, I have got this goodie bag and I am gonna unbox it in front of you guys even before I show it to my family, so you guys would be the first ones to know what's in this goodie bag. मैंने भी अभी तक खोल के देखा नहीं है, so we're gonna open it together. So okay, पानी तो मैंने पी लिया of course. Look at how cute this is, like Huda Beauty. पी लेते पानी. प्यासी, जन्म भर की प्यासी. Like a lot of things. Okay, so excited to unbox all of these things in front of you guys. Let's do it. This is like a lip case, a case where you can keep your lip glosses, a mirror, like what in the world, am I dreaming? Look at the color. I love it. I just love it. At the event ये मुझे मिला, which is the liquid matte mousse bombshell pinky brown. These ice cream charms मैंने customize करके लिए उनसे and they were super sweet to give it to me. It's so cute. This one I like it out of all of these. This is so cute. Let me show you how this looks on my lips. The formula is so buttery. I love it. Now here is the scarf, because of course Huda Beauty has launched, I think, a scarf with her newest launches. So she's been wearing the scarf and, like, you know, promoting her products. So this scarf is so cute. I love it. And with a charm, like a Huda Beauty charm. So cute. Now comes my favorite. I've been wanting clips for the longest time. So cute. I love it. I have the liquid matte mousse again. The same one as this, but in a different shade. I'm not gonna open it. Last up we have are these two lip contours. This is in the shade what's the shade? Bombshell Pinky Brown. This is a warm brown. So I'll open one of these to show you guys how they actually look. Event में उनके देखे and they look beautiful. Like, they look amazing. Look at this. Cute, right? That's it. I have to keep this intact to show it to my sister as well, because she is the most excited about all this. Hello guys, it's the next day. We are going to the Mumbai University for some paperwork. Let's go. I'm so like, मुझे नहीं जाना है, but I don't have an option. This is my outfit. Very basic, very casual. I love this t-shirt. I am in the college and there is so much of walking. Oh my god. मुझे पसंद नहीं है, चलना पसंद नहीं है. But anyway, we're gonna walk. बिल्कुल चलना पसंद नहीं, उतना ही लोग चलाते हैं मुझे. Guys, waiting for like 5 minutes, but we are so ready. I'm so hungry after walking for so long. शक्ल से तो लग रहा होगा कि मैं पूरा मस्त 3-4 घंटे सो चुकी हूँ, लेकिन that's not the case. I edited a few videos. I posted a reel today. लेट के मैं edit कर रही हूँ. Body needed to like lay down for a while. And आर्या भवन गई थी, उधर से मैंने पोड़ी मसाला लाया. Love their पोड़ी मसाला, especially on top of the idli. 2 पान भी लाए थे मॉम डैड के लिए, because they love पान. बाहर से ऑर्डर आया चाय बना, तो अभी मैं चाय बनाने जा रही हूँ. So Oh shit. So I wanted to share a few moments of me, of my time at the Huda event. As I said, मैं पहली बार कुछ करने अकेले गई थी, like event में obviously, where I knew nobody. मुझे मालूम था कि बड़े बड़े influencers आएंगे because obviously Huda beauty event में क्यों ना बुलाए लोग बड़े बड़े influencers को. So starting off with all the influencers that I met, some of them were a little off for me, some of them were really nice. मैं obviously नाम तो नहीं लूँगी, but the one person that stood out for me was Manasi Mao. I link her channel and Instagram below. I just love her so much, and because she's a Marathi as well. उसके vlogs से मुझे थोड़ा ऐसा comfort feel होता है. But yeah, यही मुझे बोलना था because the event was very short. Like मैं कितने 1 घंटे में निकल गई event से. Wasn't much, but the food was so good. Also, a special mention to Indu Ice Creams. They had their store in Bandra, and I have been wanting to visit that store for so long. And जब मैंने देखा Indu Ice Creams ex Huda Beauty है, I was so surprised. I was like, oh my god. And जो मैंने flavor try किया, raspberry rose cheesecake sorbet. Out of the world. I am still dreaming about it. Like, it was so good. I know ye vlog is a mix of like batein and also visuals. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to my uncle's place, so I might not be able to vlog over there. Isliye I'm ending this vlog over here. I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Thank you for watching, and I love you guys so much.